Today let's dive into everything about the computer desktop. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The computer desktop typically refers to the main screen you see after logging into your computer. It serves as the primary interface where you can interact with files, folders, and applications. The desktop usually features a background image or wallpaper that can be customized to your liking. On top of this background, there are icons representing various items such as applications, files, and folders. Desktop icons are small graphical representations of files, folders, applications, or system functions that appear on the desktop of a computer. They serve as shortcuts, allowing users to quickly access or open the items they represent with a double click. For instance, application icons open software programs, for example, a word processor. File or folder icons allow users to open specific files. System icons may provide quick access to system functions like the recycle bin. These icons are customizable, meaning you can move them around, or delete them from the desktop according to your preferences. The icons can be arranged in a grid or freely positioned by the user. At the bottom of the screen, there is often a taskbar or dock. The taskbar usually displays open applications, system notifications, and essential utilities like the clock, volume control, and network status. You can also pin your open applications on the taskbar for easy access. This means you can easily access your application through the taskbar whenever you're in need of these applications. All you need to do is to right-click on the open application and click on Pin this program to taskbar. On the left side of the taskbar, there's typically a Start menu or App Launcher, which provides access to installed programs, settings, and power options. On some systems, there may also be widgets or gadgets on the desktop, offering quick access to information like the weather, calendar, or system performance. This description can vary slightly depending on your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc., but the overall concept remains similar. That will be all on this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel to be part of our computer class. In the next class, we'll learn how to type and increase our typing speed.